Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Orlando, where we talk all things outdoor living. In this episode from Tough Deck Builders Orlando, we are going to answer a question we hear more and more. Do you really need a waterproof deck system, or is a standard deck good enough? First, let us define what we mean. A typical deck, whether it uses wood or composite boards, is built to shed water. Rain falls on the surface, runs through the gaps between the boards, and drains away under the structure. That is normal, and for many homes, it works just fine. A waterproof deck system goes further. Its goal is to keep water from passing through the surface at all. This is especially important when you have living space, finished patios, or valuable storage directly under the deck. In those cases, regular dripping and slow leaks can lead to rot, stains, and even interior damage if water finds a path into the house. So when might you need waterproofing? If your deck sits over a lower-level room, a covered patio you want to keep dry, or a storage area where you keep tools, furniture, or equipment, a waterproof system can be a smart investment. It helps protect what is below and gives you more control over how that space can be used. There are different ways to create a waterproof surface. Some systems use a continuous surface on top, like special coatings or membranes over a solid base. Others use a vinyl membrane as the walking surface itself. Waterproof vinyl products such as Duradeck are often used on elevated decks and balconies because they are designed to keep water from reaching the structure below while still providing a clean, walkable surface. Another approach is to add a drainage system underneath the deck boards. In that setup, water passes through the board gaps as usual, but is caught by a system installed below the framing and then directed away. This does not always make the top surface fully waterproof, but it can keep the underdeck area much drier and more usable. Each method comes with its own costs and details. Waterproof systems usually add to the price of a project and require careful installation. The framing often needs to be designed with these systems in mind from the start, including slopes, drainage paths, and access for future maintenance. Done correctly, though, they can greatly extend the life of the structure and protect the space below. If your deck is low to the ground, or if there is nothing sensitive under it, you may not need full waterproofing. In those situations, standard construction with good drainage, quality materials, and proper flashing at the house often does the job well. The key is matching the design to what is under and around the deck, not just what looks good on top. If you are not sure which path is right for you, talking it through with a contractor who understands both decks and waterproofing is the best next step. You can reach our team at 407-219-9951 or visit toughdeckbuildersorlando.com to discuss your project and whether a waterproof deck system makes sense for your home. Thanks for tuning in to Deck Builders Orlando. We will be back with more clear, practical discussions to help you build outdoor spaces that are safe, durable, and truly useful.